Meanwhile, healthcare workers around Western New York are warning of an impending disaster for local healthcare on Monday when the state's vaccine mandate takes effect.
Very concerning here. There are hospitals in New York where 25 to 30% of their workers are not vaccinated and will not be on the job if something does not change. 20 Side's Danielle Church has the update for us tonight.
Former Governor Andrew Cuomo announced in August that by September 27th, those working at healthcare facilities must be vaccinated or they can no longer work there. And Governor Kathy Hochul has stood by this even after she took over.
Every single person who ends up in your care has the right to know that they are as safe as they can be.
But not everyone who works in healthcare is actually interacting with patients or even in the office. Take Raylan Leroy, who was an IT worker at a hospice facility in Buffalo, for example. She works from home, but Monday she's unemployed.
It doesn't really make sense to me at all because I don't see patients. It's very seldom that I even see an employee.
I'm still waiting for a response from the governor's office about this. ECMC has to say goodbye to about 10% of its staff, about 400 workers. I'm waiting for a response about how many of those work with patients. According to the state, Erie County has 81% of hospital workers vaccinated. In Niagara County, it's 80%.
It's a moral thing to be concerned about what you may be passing on to your neighbor or even to your children. And we can't manage morality. The only thing we can do is make recommendations and suggestions. I'm glad that the governor made that suggestion for hospitals.
Yet some nurses are worried this mandate will severely impact the state's healthcare system immediately.
Starting on Monday, you're going to see lines out the doors of emergency rooms, and we already have lines out the doors in emergency rooms. Patients are not getting the care that they need, and now it's going to be even worse.
Governor Hochul says if not enough people get vaccinated by Monday, she will be announcing a, quote, series of initiatives to help health facilities out. She's hoping it won't have to come to that.
It does not have to happen, my friends. It does not have to happen. What is looming for Monday is completely avoidable, and there's no excuses.
Now, as of Tuesday, Oishei Children's Hospital was the only hospital in Western New York to have 100% of its staff vaccinated. Catholic Health has 82% of its hospital staff vaccinated, while Kaleida Health has 91% vaccinated. For a full list breaking down the number of hospital vaccinations in Western New York, just head to our website and click on this story. Reporting in the studio, Danielle Church, Channel 2 News.